how to download Facebook app on desktop. So if you want to download Facebook application on your desktop, then first of all, you can check your internet connection. And once it's stable, you can simply open up your Microsoft Store. And after opening your Microsoft Store, now here you can have a search bar on the upper side of your screen. Click on that search bar and then search for Facebook. Once you've searched, now here on the first search you will have Facebook. You can simply click on that Facebook. And here you will have get option. Click on that get and it will start installing. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to install. So once it's installed, now you can simply have this open button. Click on that open, and from here you can enter your mobile number and then your password, or you can enter your email address and your password, log into your account, or you can create a new account if you don't have an account. Just you can use your Facebook application. So that's it. That's how you install Facebook application on your laptop or PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.